Professional FPV EIS 4K camera for kilometers drones with a 3-axis gimbal and brushless motors. SK906 MAX2 or MAX3. Avoids obstacles 3 Beast. Function for avoiding obstacles. The obstacle avoidance system uses a 120 fan-shaped scanning pattern in front of the laser too. Check for impending impediments. If one is found within 20 meters of the drone and prevents it from moving forward, an alarm will ring on the remote control. 1. Low power return and no signal when GPS returns to the launch site. 2. 1 GPS Smart Follow. Open the app Follow function after the aircraft is GPS connected, and the aircraft will follow the phone. To image to follow to recognize the subject and automatically follow the flight. The aircraft must be within 1 to 5 meters. Within 1 to 5 meters of the airplane, face the camera and make a gesture for the photo or the camera. 4. Multi-point flight planning for the route while the player concentrates on shooting. The aircraft will fly itself along the predetermined route. 5. Fixed point surround. Locate the surround's focal point before adjusting the surround's radius with the joystick. 6. Aircraft retrieval feature. To view the map interface, click the GPS signal indicator 3 times. The map shows the last distance, latitude, and longitude of the aircraft. For more information, description link. Thanks for watching, like, comment, and subscribe.